What's up, guys? Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking dinner together again, making a different meal. We're going to be making Italian sausage and pasta. So I've got it right here. Italian sausage is already open and ready to cook. I've got the water boiling. Boil your sausages first so that you can get any fat out of them. A lot of sausages are really fatty, so you want to boil all the fat that you can out of them and then cook them. I'm boiling them for 5 minutes. Then we're going to lightly fry them just to make them a little bit golden brown. And then with this, we're gonna make pasta. I don't eat pasta very often, but when I do, it's gluten-free, guys. Gluten-free pasta. This is penne. Mwah. Love it. And then I have organic marinara sauce for the pasta. I'm excited to be cooking with you guys again. This is day 4 of me cooking at home. I'm so proud of myself. What did we make so far? I made salmon. What did I make? Turkey. So we had turkey burgers on Thanksgiving. Then we had salmon, and now we're having Italian sausage, and we made avocado toast, but that was for breakfast. So for breakfast this morning, what did I eat? I had egg whites and avocado toast, just the toast, and then I had egg whites scrambled. And that was this morning for breakfast. And I'm so proud of myself. We've been cooking daily. So the key to eating healthy for me personally is to always switch it up. You want to have different meals, because if you're consistently eating the same thing, it just gets old, and then you want to eat out and you want to eat unhealthily. So make sure you give yourself little treats here and there. For me personally, what do I have that's a treat? I have berries. Ooh, I know what I have that's a cheat meal but not good for you. Bagels. I will literally have a bagel twice a week, probably Wednesday and Friday, and cream cheese, and then on top of the cream cheese I'll do a jam. There's this Knott's Berry Farm jam, so good. It's called black boysenberry blackberry jam, so good, right on top of the cream cheese. It's delicious. And then what else do I have? That's the only cheat meal that I actually eat. I've been drinking a lot of juice, and the juices kind of kill my sweet tooth. I have a big sweet tooth as well. So having those juices with all that fruit and stuff in them really helps to kill the sweet tooth for candy and stuff. I haven't actually used the inside of my stove yet. This is a way better angle. Okay guys, now we can cook up close, because I don't know why I kept having my camera back there. I just feel maybe you want to see my whole outfit, but I'm sure you don't care. So these sausages are pretty much done. I'm gonna turn the heat down low and then drain them in the sink. And then you're going to keep the lid off, and we're going to lightly fry them. But before you fry them, what I like to do is I like to poke them and let all the juices kind of come out. These ones aren't that juicy, which is good. Less fat. They are organic as well. I got them on Amazon Fresh. I haven't been grocery shopping in the stores for quite some time. Partly because of coronavirus, also partly because I do not have time for that stuff. Pop this open. Oh my God, I can't even open a box of pasta. The water's boiling. Pour that bad boy in. Oh, okay. Make sure you set a timer for 10 minutes. I think since this is gluten-free pasta, it has a different consistency, so you never know if it's gonna melt or not. I remember one time I made vegan pasta, complete vegan pasta. It was this orange-red color, and I left it on normal spaghetti, 12 minutes, and it just turned into mush, and it made me feel wow, regular spaghetti is really bad for you because it holds up like plastic. Oh, that scared me. Because it holds up like plastic, And this vegan stuff was like melting. It just made me feel like I was just eating synthetic my entire life, because we always just ate normal pasta growing up, you know? Oh, and fun fact, I love raw pasta, like raw spaghetti. My siblings and I used to do this. We weren't starving, which is weird. We used to get spaghetti, like the long, thin spaghetti in the boxes, and we would get a handful of it, and if you run it under water and you squeeze it together, it'll stick together, and it becomes like this crunchy, milky pasta bar, and we would just eat raw pasta, just like that. And my dad would be so mad. He'd be like, what are you doing? Like, you don't eat raw pasta. And he used to tell us, it's gonna give you worms. So we would stop doing that. It was the most hilarious thing ever. Now that I'm older, I know you can't get worms from eating raw pasta. It was just so silly. This dinner actually takes like 10 minutes. 10 minutes to cook this, and you can cook these two at the same time, then you have a full dinner. I don't like to heat up my marinara sauce, so I'm gonna like have it room temperature. I get crap all the time about that because my siblings and I, whenever we have leftovers, they'll be like, oh, heat them up, and I do not use this thing very often, so I'm like always eating cold food. Plus, I kind of like cold food. Like, I love cold Chinese food. I don't know, it's just like something about it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I just got back from a facial, so my skin is so red and so just open. She did like red light therapy on my skin. She did extractions on my skin. What else did we do? We did this crazy foaming face mask. She scrubbed me. She did like all kinds of stuff. So it was really nice, and my skin is looking bomb. Even though it's red, it's looking bomb. I can just feel it's gonna do good things, you know what I'm saying? So we have 4 minutes left on the clock. I'm gonna take one of the sausages and just cut it in half to see if it's cooked all the way through, which it's not. So we're gonna put this back. Oh yeah. Sausages are done. Take them off the burner. Oh, so good. And that's it, you guys. That's literally it. Now you take your pasta and you strain it. Whew, that's hot. I'm just gonna leave that. Okay, now, everything is about portion control when you're eating to lose weight or stay healthy. So make sure that you choose good portions for your body. Do not overeat just because you can. I'm gonna take one full sausage, and I like the sausage like burnt almost. Take a sausage, cut it up into bite-sized pieces. As a lady, you should do this regardless, okay? You don't want to put a whole sausage in your mouth and just like take bites off of it. It's not cute. And then take this, and then you pour your marinara sauce on top of it, and you are good to go. Let's see if I can open this. Let's see if these workouts are doing anything for me. Oh my God. Oh my God, they're not. They're not helping me at all. I still can't open a jar by myself. This is why you need a man. Oh God. Okay. I need a man. All right, I think I know how to do this. Oh yeah. Glory is mine, baby. All right, and then just pour yourself some sauce. Bam. You guys, easiest dinner I've ever made in my whole entire life. And everything is about portion control. So I'm gonna show you guys what the dinner looks like right now. And that's it, right there. 1 sausage, 1.5 scoops of pasta, and just a little bit of sauce. And you are looking at a healthy, bomb-ass dinner. But it's not over until we try it, okay? So let's give it a shot. I love cooking and eating on here with you guys. I love this. This is the best thing I ever did on my channel. I can't even get up pasta. Ah. It's pretty good. You can tell the sausage is very organic, and you can tell the pasta is very gluten-free. It's really good though. I like it. The marinara sauce is a little bit too sweet for me. It has like it almost has like a zesty like zzz to it, you know? But it's really good. This is today's healthy recipe. 10 minutes to make, super easy, super healthy, and very good. So get yourself some organic sausage, some gluten-free pasta, and some organic marinara sauce. Take 10 minutes, make yourself a healthy meal, and don't overeat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.